Well, this is Sunday afternoon. We just got home from church a little while ago. I wanted to do a little quick update on my garden. On Friday night, about 11 o'clock p.m., we had a real bad rainstorm that come through, and it just totally demolished both of my cherry tomato plants here. It blew most of my corn over and really did a number on my other tomato plants. The end of the garden on that far end down there, right down there, that far end, it was just totally flooded, standing in about 4 inches of water. And so I spent all day yesterday out here in the garden. I was able to straighten up all the corn and got it looking fairly straight. And I was able to tie up most of my tomato plants and get them to recover. I had a few vines that were completely broke that I had to take off and throw them away, but for the most part they're doing good. The one good thing about all the rain, let me get in here close and show you, I had planted some pole beans that are planted between each one of my corn stalks, and all of the pole beans are starting to come up. So all that rain did help them come up. I think that we got a total of about 3 inches of rain in just a little over an hour. And I'm going to show you a little video clip here in just a second. The video, I didn't do any talking in it. I was just a little bit too disappointed when I seen what had happened from the rainstorm. But at least I got everything to recover pretty good, and it looks pretty good now. We're predicted to get more rain tonight, and actually for the next 7 days we're going to be getting a lot of rain coming off the tropical storm that's down in the Gulf of Mexico. And so I know all the other YouTubers that's got gardens are having the same problem. But anyway, just want to do a quick update. So now I'm fixing to show you the little clip from what it looked like the very next morning, which was yesterday morning. Okay, everyone, if you will, please have a safe Memorial Day and have a blessed day today. Thanks for watching our videos. We really do appreciate it.